The KATANA blocks from Kuraray Noritake Dental are now available to mill with the CEREC system. The KATANA STML blocks are super translucent multi-layer blocks that can be milled in the CEREC MCXL and sintered in the Speedfire oven. With a strength of 763 megapascals, the blocks are translucent enough to be used in the anterior aesthetic zone and strong enough to be used in virtually any posterior clinical situation. KATANA is the original multi-layered translucent zirconia from Kuraray Noritake Dental. They are one of the very few companies that manufacture its own zirconia powder and has been doing so for industrial applications since 1983. By making its own powder, Kuraray Noritake is able to provide better translucency and maintain high flexural strength with just a 30-minute sintering cycle. Released at the Chicago Midwinter Meeting in 2018, the KATANA blocks are available in 15 shades and can be fabricated with the CEREC system with the same predictable workflow as other CEREC blocks. The tooth is prepared according to the traditional zirconia preparation guidelines and scanned with the CEREC scanner, either the OmniCam or the BlueCam. Once the preparation is scanned, the CEREC software is used to design the restoration. The case is then sent to the MCXL for milling. The KATANA blocks are recommended to be milled dry. However, they can also be milled wet. With wet milling and the MCXL, ensure the chamber is cleaned of any glass-based fragments that may damage the zirconia during the milling process. After milling, the blocks are removed from the milling chamber and placed in the Speedfire oven to sinter. If the wet milling cycle was used, an additional drying cycle must be used prior to the sintering cycle. Unlike other translucent zirconias that require a long sintering cycle in the range of 9 to 10 hours, the KATANA blocks, due to their chemical composition, can be sintered in the Speedfire oven in as little as 30 minutes. After the sintering process, the restorations can be finished with one of two techniques. The first is to simply polish the restorations. Polishing can be done with a number of commercially available polishing kits, including the Meisinger polishing kit. Another option to finish the blocks is to stain and glaze the restoration. Stained and glazed is placed on the sintered restoration and placed back into the Speedfire oven for final processing. Kuraray Noritake recommends the use of resin cements to bond KATANA zirconia restorations. The Panavia resins are recommended as well since they have over 20 years of clinical use and research with bonding zirconia. All of the Panavia resin cement kits include the original MDP adhesive monomer, which has been proven to have a durable chemical bond to zirconia restorations. Any Panavia resin cement may be used. However, the Panavia V5 and the Panavia SA cements are the two latest Panavia cements with improved adhesion, easier handling, and simple cleanup. The Kuraray Noritake blocks are a game changer for CEREC dentists. They provide the strength of zirconia with the aesthetics of a glass-based restoration and can be used virtually anywhere in the mouth. For additional questions, please don't hesitate to ask on CERECdoctors.com.